Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2015 set 2 guys. The given question is, consider the intermediate code given below. So I think there is something missing in the question, right? Yeah, obviously there is something missing in the question. So this is the code which they give. After that, they asked the number of nodes and edges in the control flow graph constructed by the above code. Okay, so I think everyone remembers this control flow graph, right? Yes. So let me recall the conditions again, so you will get more clarity on this, so don't worry. Okay, yes. So when we are talking about control flow graph, I remember there are three different conditions, guys. So the first condition is the first value will be a leader. Okay, so once you have pointed the first statement or the first thing as the leader, the next statement is so if there are any goto functions, each and every one of them will also be a leader. So goto 3, so third line is a leader. Okay, similarly goto 2, so second line is also a leader. Got it? Yes. So this is the second thing, guys. So this is the second rule. So first rule is the first line will be the leader, and the second rule is wherever you are finding gotos, all of them, like goto 3 means the third line will be leader. So in that way, got it? Yes. And the last third statement is okay, so statements followed by condition will also be leader. Okay, so based on that, what we can conclude? So basically this is also a leader, right? So here I am having a condition and that is followed by this. So this is also a leader, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, so to be clear, I noticed one thing here. So this is 11, guys. Okay, so there is some gap in between them, so please note that. I don't know why did I forget to press enter here. So basically there should be enter here, right? So this is line 10 and this is line 11. Okay, yes. So line followed by this particular condition. So if condition is there, right? So this line 10 is also a leader. Okay, yes. So that is the whole analysis, right? Yes. So how many blocks are we having here, guys? So this line 1 is solely a block. This line 2 is also solely a block. This line 3 is a block up to line 8, right? Okay. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.